very much for joining us, Mark.
You're welcome.
Perhaps if you could just introduce yourself and Volante.
Okay. Yeah, good morning. I'm Mark Chapman from Volante, and I'm responsible for sales within Europe, Middle East and Africa. And Volante Technologies exists to service the community, various different business areas, and we try and simplify connectivity between the outside world and internal applications. Whether that be an applications or a network is irrelevant as far as we're concerned, and we simplify that process. And so we provide solutions in various different areas, and for this particular domain, it will assist the Dodd-Frank reporting and any other emerging standards and reports that needs to be that is out there.
So it sounds like it'll create a lot of both time and financial saving for a lot of companies.
Certainly, it saves time, effort, in that business users can be separated from that very technical understanding, and we provide a toolkit or a workbench that will allow the business users to articulate their flow of business information in a much simpler area.
So how do you go about integrating your platform or your layer into other people's systems? How easy is it for them?
Okay, it's incredibly easy for them to do that, and we spend our time and our energy in creating those external libraries, so whether that be FPML or FIX or various external standards, and there are a lot of them. We build those libraries, we allow, within the workbench environment, we allow users to do that very simple mapping process, which makes the whole process infinitely easier. Customers have told us that they save in the region of 70 to 90% of the effort in doing that process.
So obviously, whilst Dodd-Frank is one of the big talking points of the day, it's one of many regulations that are incoming. How is it that you are keeping on top of those to make sure ultimately that those people using your platform don't have to?
Okay, well, one of the things that we provide is we provide external support for all of these external libraries, and as those change, we have teams of people who monitor those changes, and we build those changes into our external libraries or libraries that you use as part of this development tool. And so we simplify that process. We keep up to date with the emerging standards and changes to simplify and effectively isolate our customers from constantly having to keep up to date themselves.
And what kind of size of customer base then do you have at the moment?
Well, our customer base is many hundreds across all regions of the globe, so US, Europe, Australia. We cover all areas within across the globe.
And finally, what developments can we expect to see over the next, say, 12 months to 2 years?
Well, I think that Volante is on very much of a growth path within Europe and Americas and South America, and I think that what we're going to be providing to our customers is a much greater, we're going to ease that process, we're going to be supporting new standards as they come out. We are on many of those committees, so we're always the front runners in this industry of building connectors and interfaces for the messaging world.
And if people do want to find out more about Volante, where should they go?
Well, in the first instance, they can look at our website, which is volantetech.com, or indeed do a Google search is always the easiest way, and to look up our offices, which are in London, New York, and Latin America.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you very much.